Sarah, I want to ask you about the open yesterday. Did you like how the state started with the story of the victim and just kind of started with the wedding and kind of took the jury there? What did you like about it? Maybe what didn't you like about the open? What may you have done differently if you were trying the case on behalf of the state?
Yeah, I think you got it exactly right. The state painted that picture in the jury's mind of the story, of the characters in the story, and of this web of lies, which was very compelling. If I had the chance to do it differently, I think I would have introduced some notion of the law and what we are trying to prove from the state's point of view in terms of the law. We didn't hear any mention of that whatsoever. And juries love a roadmap. They want to see 1 + 1 = 2. They want to follow along with the state. And so I would have introduced some notion of the law and the roadmap in which I wanted my jury to follow that. But I think they did a fabulous job when it came to the story, and it's a compelling one, and one that I think they certainly did justice in the open.
Yes, I'm glad you mentioned it about the law, Sarah. I love that you mentioned that. You know, we were talking about that yesterday, and I felt like that was really lacking too, because you don't want to introduce it for the first time in close, right? You want to kind of give the jury a taste of what the charges are, why they're here, why the evidence that's going to be introduced is going to support those charges. And so I don't know if it was just maybe an oversight. Maybe sometimes you get up there, you have it all planned, and you're so nervous you forget to say things. Who knows? But thank you for mentioning that now. We're going to continue watching this one. Sarah and Josh are going to stay with us.